Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI tool which is used to organize your reference papers. It will be a fantastic tool to organize the reference paper and analyze your reference paper and make a note of it for future use. So, and also it will be very useful to make your literature review. So, there are many options for a single option, single option you are going to choose. For example, say you are going to choose as a summary, so it will analyze the PDF you are going to upload and it will select a particular paragraph or a particular sentence related with the input you have given, and then it shows section wise. You can analyze your reference papers section wise, so thereby it will be a very helpful tool to make literature review very better. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So here the lateral IO is the AI tool what we are going to discuss today. So it's a complete hours of reading in minutes. So lateral AI is an AI powered app for academics that will completely change the way you read and take notes. So let us go on and explore that lateral IO. So before going to that lateral IO, important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI toolbox. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize with all the different AI tools used for research paper preparation, and also we are going to explore different types of ChatGPT prompts which will be very useful for research paper preparation. So many of the questions are asking now how to get rid of AI detection. So there are some AI detector tools. So how to use that AI detector tools to get rid of AI plagiarism, and also we are going to explore different paraphrasing tools to get rid of AI redaction. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the workshop will be given in the description of the video. So see you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop on advanced control and energy system modeling. So this workshop is the main objective of this workshop is to design a DC to DC converter with PID controller, and how to tune that PID controller and what are the important steps to be taken while tuning PID controller. And also we are going to make grid connected PV system and how to connect that grid connected PV system to EV charging station. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this live MATLAB workshop. We are going to explore all the models with the hands-on as like hands-on training. So don't forget to register this MATLAB workshop. The link of the workshop will be given in the description of this video. So don't forget to register our online workshop. So after entered in your lateral IO, you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So you can click on new project. So give a name of your new project and you can upload a paper. For example, say I am going to give ant colony. So this is the name I am going to give, and I am going to create and launch product. So after that it will ask add your documents. Get started by adding your paper, or you can find papers also. So first we will go on to the option called upload paper. So thereby you can get an idea how to make a comprehensive literature review. So I am going to desktop. Here I am going to select a paper. So this is the paper we often use it to select upload one file. So here you can see upload is completed. So click on done. After that you will be getting a dashboard. In this dashboard you will be having a column like this here. So here you can see table view, super search, document view. So here in this document view, so you can able to view the document you have uploaded. So this is the document we have uploaded. So with the paper we have uploaded a new approach of dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning in ant colony optimization and its application in fuzzy control of a mobile robot. So I am going to table view. So here you will be having different options called add documents, concepts, share, export, etc. So click on the concept. So you can category this paper section wise. For example, I am going to type introduction. So this is the first thing I am going to type, introduction. So after that, sorry. So see, I have typed wrongly. There is a small spelling mistake. So introduction. So summary. So next one I am going to add summary. So as I have checked, it's already generating summary. So here I will show how it will be done. So next after that summary, after that I am going to ask main findings. So click on that main findings. So after that you can add future scope. So these are the important things we need in a particular paper to analyze. So these are the 4 important things, that is introduction, so next is summary, main findings, future scope. So after that you want to analyze the paper even better, you can add more number of options by clicking this concept. So after you have done, so go on to the document view. So here you will be getting a paper like this here. So in this you can see a window called create or select concept. So in this click on first one, introduction. So here you can see there are different possibilities of the introduction in this particular paper will be suggested. So these are the suggested snippets. So you can click a new approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning in ant colony optimization and its application future for a mobile robot. Next there are different options. So here you can see ant colony optimization is a popular based meta heuristic that exploits from a past performance memory that is inspired by the foraging behavior of real ants. So like that it will generate different types of introduction, possible introduction of this particular paper. So you can go on and explore different types of options and select the best one. For example, say here you can see determining the correct parameters for the fuzzy logic controller in a complex problem, and also it has to consume considerable time because of their ability to solve NP hard problems. You make use of ACO for the selection of those already mentioned parameters. So here you can see these are the different options. So what I am going to do is, so I am going to select this one. Fuzzy logic control has emerged as one of the most active and fruitful areas of research in application of fuzzy sets and fuzzy logic. The methodology of fuzzy control is useful when process too complex. So this will be a better introduction. So after that click on save. So your introduction will be saved here. So in table view you can go, means you will be getting a introduction here. So next one is that, so go on to document view. So and the next one is that click on summary. As we have generated different summaries, so I have already made select this one. So here you can change this one also. There is some recent interest in using ACO algorithms in mobile robotics. Nowadays robotic automation is an essential part in manufacturing progress. Autonomous navigation of mobile robots is a challenge. A mobile robot can be useful in unattaining goal situation due to geological condition. So like that it will generate content. So here I am going to save it as a summary, or else I can save it as this as a summary. So whatever you want you can do. So I am going to save this as a summary. So after that go on to table view. So here you can change this summary. So click on that. So you can, so what you can do is select this one, so and you can save it as a summary. So here you can save it as a summary, or you can take a note of it. So after that, so your summary will be changed. So just a minute, I am going to click, so delete that one we have already selected. So after that go on. So we have chosen this one. Actually we have choose this for introduction. So summary, you can take this as a summary. This paper explores a new method of diversity control in ACO. The main idea is to prevent or stop the total convergence. So I am going to save here. So after that go on to table view. So here you can see that we have secondly we have that is you have selected determine the correct parameters of the fuzzy logic control is a complex problem, and it also have, so click on that, you will be getting two things. So the two things we have selected as a summary, so it will show the two things. If you don't want the first one, so you can delete here. So after that, so you can get the second one itself. So like that you can add 2 or more points also for that summary. So thereby you will be getting most number of summaries to analyze the particular paper. So next one is main findings. So in order to analyze the main findings, go on to document view. So and then click on this main findings. So here you can see there are different types of main findings will be generated. So it is difficult to define whether the proposed improved over a classical approaches with analysis of Z test. So or else you can see there are different options. So based on the update result, it was decided that AS rank on the basis for proposed ACO variant. The main idea is to prevent or stop the total convergence through the dynamic variation of the alpha parameter. Alpha has a great large effect in diversity. It recommended to keep the range of 0 less than 0 to 1. So the value closer to 1 will emphasize better paths but reduce diversity, while lower will keep more diversity but reduce selective pressure. So this will also give a better finding for this paper. And also you can see here an adaptive parameter control strategy is proposed in this paper. This takes the paper where it's some form of feedback. So and then strategic parameter, so like that it will give some summary. So you can see, main findings, you can select any of the one in this main findings. So according to the paper you have uploaded, you can go on and explore different options for main findings and you can select any one. So for example, say I am going to select this one. So here you can see in main findings, so it will be added in main findings. So after that you will be having future scope. So let us explore that future scope also. So click on that future scope. So here you can see different options will be generated for future scope. As a future work, we intend to apply convergence control to other variants of ACO algorithm. So modify the reference and the diversity in all intelligent way depending on the search progress or some performance measures. Look for heuristic information relevant to the membership function optimization problem that drives the search process. So this will be a better one as we have asked for future work. So here you can select any one of this for your future. So I am going to select the first one itself, it will be a better one. So after that, go on to table view. So you will be having this future scope also. So here you can see you have to upload a paper. So however you want, you can segregate the paper according to the need for your literature review, according to the need for your analysis for a particular paper. So thereby it will automatically generate the concepts in this particular paper. So thereby we can categorize this introduction, summary, main finding and future scope of the particular paper. So thereby it will be very useful for you to make your literature review very easily. And also you can instead of taking notes in your paper, you can make use of this option to make a note of the important things in a particular paper. So it will be a digital save for you. So after that, what you have to do is you can share with you in your web, or it's an option that you can share in your web, or else you can export it as a Word document or Excel sheet or CSV format, whatever you want. So I am going to click it as save as Word. So here open that. So here you can see concept, future scope, document. You can see this is the document we have uploaded, this is the name of the document. So we have saved in your system. So after that you can see this is the future scope we have selected. After that you can see this is the introduction part, this is the main finding. After that this is a summary of the particular paper. So you can make a note of it in this paper, in a Word file. You can save it for your future roles also. So that thereby you can digitally analyze a reference paper very easily. So instead of taking printout and studying for a long time and making a notes of it, you can do this kind of option to analyze a reference paper very better. So this lateral AI will be very useful for you. So it will be a fantastic option to make analysis of your literature review, so analysis of a reference paper for your literature review. Those who are doing review paper, making review paper, so you can make use of this option. So another important thing is that so in concepts you can add more number of things also. As we have said, in summary you can add even another point. So like that you can add up to more points. So even if you want in main findings, if you want to add 5 points, you can add 5 points also. So like that you can make use of this option in this lateral AI and analyze your reference papers very better. So this will be a best tool for the researchers to analyze your reference papers. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.